Welcome to another episode of Shogun MindBomb, a series of relationship techniques based on the famous Shogun Method by Derek Rake. Today's Shogun MindBomb is about using this Shogun Method technique called the multiple out. Here, I'm going to share with you how to make a woman say yes to your request with this simple Shogun Method psychological trick. For example, if you find that your woman has been refusing you, and you want to make her be more agreeable, then this is a technique that will help you tremendously. Let's go! Let's consider a scenario where you want to ask a woman at work to go out on a date with you. Make no mistake about it, asking a female coworker out is tricky. If you directly ask her out, everyone will find out and she'll most likely decline. If you pussyfoot your way around it, she won't notice your invitation. She might even feel turned off by your weak, insecure manner. This is where multiple outs come in. Multiple outs are questions you ask her that, whether she answers yes or no, you'd be right. This is important. When she sees you as being right, she's psychologically much more likely to comply with you. The formula for multiple outs is this. It's not blank, is it? Here's a good workplace example. You can ask her, "You're not going to the bar after work, are you?" If she says yes, you can then say, "Same here, I'll see you there." If she says no, you can then say, "I thought so. Where are you headed then?" Compare this multiple out to the indirect question. Are you going to the bar after work, or the direct invitation? Let's go to the bar after work. With these alternatives, she can say no, and any follow-up you make after that will sound needy. Multiple outs are great ways to ensure a one-on-one date with her. Prepare your multiple outs in advance, then deliver an appropriate one when she's in a good mood. Easy, right? So there you have it, a summary on how to make a woman say yes to your request using the multiple out technique. Give this amazing Shogun Method tactic a shot and share with me your success stories. If you like this video, scroll down and click the like button. And for more mind control attraction tactics, sign up at https://fractionationhypnosis.com or click the link in the video description below.